If you say thank you, but it sounds like thank you, let's fix it. Put your tongue between your teeth and blow softly. Th, th, th. Thank you. Th, th, th. Theta. Th, thank you. So practice. Think, thank, think, thank. Th, thought, thirsty, thirsty, thirsty. It's not T sound, it's th, 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 th sound. Try. Thank you for drinking this fruit. Thank you for drinking this fruit. Thank you for drinking this. Master your th. Th. It's one of the clearest marks that you are very fluent in English. Follow for more.